Hi everybody, my name is Enoa Stueber. I'm a R&D engineer with Oxygen8, and today I'm going to be talking about our energy recovery cores. These cores, as well as our units, are all manufactured here in Vancouver, and I'm going to be talking about what goes into building these and how we test them to ensure that they're going to be helping to deliver fresh air into the buildings. So most buildings are increasingly airtight. And when you make a building really airtight, it becomes more efficient from a heat loss perspective, but that introduces the need to bring in mechanical ventilation, so that way we have fresh air going into those buildings to keep CO2 levels down and keep the comfort levels really high inside that building. However, when you do that and you bring in fresh air in, there's a need to minimize the cost of heating and humidifying, and these cores do just that. And so we're going to be talking through that a little bit. So these ERV cores are similar to what you might have heard of as HRV cores, although unlike an HRV core, which only transfers heat between those two airstreams, this transfers heat as well as humidity. Therefore, it gets the name enthalpy or energy recovery cores. And they do that by having these 4 inlets and outlets. And so if I rotate this over, you can see that air comes in one side, it'll go through and then exit the other side. And that would be, say, our outdoor airstream. And then the indoor airstream that we're exhausting would come in this opposite side, pass through, and exit this other side. And those airstreams are separated by a special membrane, which we'll be looking at, that allows for heat to be transferred between those two airstreams as well as the moisture. But it prevents any CO2, any odors, any VOCs from exchanging between those two airstreams. So that way when you're bringing in fresh air, it doesn't have any of the contaminants, but you are extracting all of that energy by way of heat and humidity from that exhausted airstream or vice versa. And so this core is made up of a number of individual layers that I'm going to show right here. And you can see that this layer is made up of a spacer to provide that channel for the airflow. And then on top, you can see this blue membrane that is over top. And this is what is stacked over and over and over to make up this entire core, and then compressed together to create an airtight seal between these two end plates that we have right here. So when we finish assembling this core, we go through a thorough quality inspection to make sure that every layer is assembled correctly, as well as the overall core fitting its dimensional tolerances. But we also leak test every single one of these cores to make sure that it's fully airtight, and that enables us to get the most performance out of these cores when we install them into our units. So let's go ahead and leak test the core together. So I'm going to bring this core over here and install it into our leak test jig. So here we have the ERV core set up, and what I'm doing is I'm blowing smoke through this bottom inlet, which is connected to this outlet, so that you can see with this smoke an illustration of how this ERV passes air from one side to the other. And this will make our leak test make more sense when we put the top of our jig on. So here we are at the leak test station. We've got the core that we were looking at earlier fully set up in the leak test jig. And what's going on is we are putting air into this bottom inlet. That air path would normally go through this top outlet that we saw earlier in the smoke demonstration. But now we've got a top plate covering it so that no air can escape through that air passage. We have a pressure measurement coming from the top end, and that's measuring the pressure inside this core relative to the other side, which is open to atmosphere. And so when we're pumping air into this core, any air that's coming into this core is to make up for air escaping through a leak point. And we measure that at our test pressure to ensure that our cores are fully airtight. In order for a core to pass its leak test inspection, it can have a maximum of 0.5% of the overall rated airflow. And so just to put that into perspective, Eurovent standards, which are some of the most strict standards for ERV units, allows for a maximum of 1%. And so you can see that we're testing to half of that allowable leakage. And this ensures that these cores are very airtight for eliminating any potential crossover, but that also ensures that we're getting the design performance out of these cores from a heat and humidity transfer perspective. And so that brings us to the end of our short little video talking about our in-house manufactured cores and how we go through the leak testing. Thanks for listening in. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact our Oxygen8 applications team. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a good day.